What's happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and healthy. Let's begin with this video right away. So this right here is the Xiaomi Mi smart clock, and it was sent to me by Xiaomi, and just to make a little video about it, whether or not that will be a positive or negative review video, this is just my own personal opinion. So what do we got inside of the box? We got the Xiaomi Mi smart clock, of course. We got a power cable, and we got a manual. And that's about it, actually. So nothing very spectacular here with this unboxing process. But the moment when you start this thing up, you will be greeted by a Google Assistant voice. And after that, you can just easily set up with your smartphone. Make sure that you have Google Home installed on your smartphone so that the installation process will be very smooth and easy. So you can just swipe through things, set up your alarm, listen to Spotify, and set up your agenda if needed. For some, this device might be a little bit obsolete or not needed because most of the things they use on their smartphone. But for me, this is more than just a clock with extra features. To me, this is really handy when it comes down to your smartphone usage across the day, right? And when I'm in my bed before I go to sleep, I'm still checking things like my email, YouTube videos, and stuff like that, right? The last thing that I see is my smartphone. And the first thing that I see in the morning is again my smartphone. But with this smart clock, it will eliminate that whole process of like too much watch time on your smartphone. So to me, this is more than just a smart clock. It actually reduces the time that I spend on my smartphone. And that's for me very important, and also for my health and being more relaxed before I go to sleep, and also being more rested when I wake up. And I think you should consider this as well as a replacement device for your alarm clock instead using your smartphone. A quick little video about this Mi smart clock, putting out some content out there on this channel. So, maybe this will help you out as well if you want to reduce your time on your smartphone. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if not already, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. As always, stay safe and stay up.